Alright, here's the Opus 15 violin I made 7 years ago. Just got it back, which I'm bringing the acoustical adjustment up to. So this is a piece of heavy-duty, thin, tough plastic, piece of tape across the top, cut out for the goes in, slides behind the bridge. This is to protect the varnish, because if you don't, you're going to slip and then you'll be sorry. Okay, so what we want for the tailpiece proper, get this arranged here, you can see a little better. Okay, we want the frequency of the tailpiece to match the back. Should be 198, this is 197. But, and go in the waist area, so it comes down to kind of a waist shape. And as you tap along, we're going to tap behind the string, each one to make an arc. So behind the E string like that, behind the A string like that, D string like that, G string like this. And where we come to the waist, the overtone's going to go up, down, up. So this is the area we're going to work on. And we want the frequency behind each of the string positions to be the same as 198. Okay? This is 198 is what we want. Okay, and the tap tone survey suggested it's about 195, a little bit low. It's more like here. Here, want to be there. So let's listen. Okay, because it's close enough, we're just going to be able to change the shape from the waist back to raise it. If it was too high, we'd go from the string insert locations back to the waist and just behind each string. So it's pretty even. Now we're going to stay away from the outside edge because that'll change the frequency of the direction we don't want to go. So what we're going to do, find the waist acoustically, it's right there, and we're just going to scrape, leaving the outside edge. Okay, let's see where we're at. Sounds like the lowest is here. Okay. That's where we were. Now it's low. So one of you, 198. It's high, going low. I think we're there. Now, having this even all the way across is going to make all the strings have the same power. Having this 198 matching the bridge and the back will give us the maximum power of the instrument. So if this is off, you're going to lose power. If it's too high or too low. You want to be even behind each string location in the waist, and that'll get evenness of power between the strings. So if one of these got a little too high, then we'd simply scrape from where you insert the string down to the waist in that arc behind the string, and just tap along. You'd like this to be the bottom part of the tone to match. So if you found like a high area, you'd want to scrape it down so it was even. Same thing here, you'd like that to be even. Okay, so I think we're there. And in about 3 minutes we brought the power up. So you can't beat that. And the tools necessary: piece of plastic, piece of tape, your scraper, and let's not forget our wood reference tap tone tool. And you'll see that under useful tools category. You got to make one of these. And the instructions to make it, the calibration sound files there, so you put all the different frequencies here. by 5s and by 10s, and then the three important parts are the scroll, 161, top plate, fingerboard, nut, string bar, saddle, end pin, sound holes. They're all at 176, and the top plate. And then the back is also the bridge and the tailpiece. We still have to do the bridge, and that'll be next. Thank you.